Hello guys, this is Porosh again. One of my subscriber, I think new subscribers, comment on my video how to save data using share object in ActionScript 3. He comment here saying I'm using AS3, AC3, whatever AS3. I'm trying to make a save button that save the frame that the button is on. For example, if the save button is on frame 10, I would like to push the button and save frame 10. Then at startup, recall the frame either automatically or with a load button on the first frame. I need help figure out the script for this. If you can help, I would appreciate this. I have been looking around to find a way to do this, but I have found nothing helpful. Okay, after reading this, I have created this project. Let me show you this one. Yeah, here, demo. You see, when I click next button, the photo changes, and if I click save button here and close this project, and then if I reopen it, and it shows the last photo that I closed. Okay, and I'm gonna show you how to do this. I'm using Flash Professional Creative Cloud. To do this project, I have to select ActionScript 3. So I select ActionScript 3. I'd like to change stage dimension with 700 and 600. Okay, and to make this project look good, I would like to bring some import some images into this project. So I'll go file, import to library, and I will select few of this image, 1 2 3 4 5 images, open, and you see I have 5 images inside my library. So I'll drag one. Okay, I will align the image. I think my stage dimension is bigger than this image, so I have to resize it. I'd like to see the image size 700 400, so I'll change height, stage height 400. Okay, and then realign the image. Okay, now I'd like to convert this image into a symbol, so right click, convert to symbol, and I'd like to rename it saying in img holder. Okay, press OK, and double click this image, and you see I have a movie clip called image holder on my library, and I am inside this image holder, and now I will insert blank keyframe to put second image here. Okay, so insert black keyframe, drag second image, change alignment, insert blank keyframe, third image, change alignment, insert blank keyframe, fourth image, change alignment, and insert blank keyframe and drag last image and change alignment to. Okay, now you see I have a movie clip on my stage, and inside this movie clip I have 5 frames with 5 different images. Okay, and now I would like to put stop command into all these images. So insert a new layer, rename this layer, name a action. Okay, now select first empty frame and then go window, action and type stop, and back to main, and then copy this frame, paste it again, and paste it again. Okay, so I have a movie clip image holder on my stage, and inside this image holder I have 5 images with stop command each. Okay, and now I have to name this image holder to listen to my script. Okay, so select the image holder. I would like to give an instant name of saying exactly the same, img equal here image holder. Okay, now I'll lock this layer and then insert another new layer, rename this layer btn, and also rename this layer to name image holder. Okay, and then I'll drag some button on my stage. Okay, so I'll select from my component interface. Yes, you see here I have some I have a button component. Okay, drag it on the stage and change the label to next button, next, just next. Okay, yes, and copy this one, copy, paste in place, and change the label previous. Okay, and then paste once more and put it here, and then change the label save. And also I would like to give all this button an instant name. For save button, name save btn, next button next btn, previous button prev btn. Okay, so, and if I test it now, see, but nothing happens. So I have to put some code or script for these buttons. Okay, I'll lock button layer 2 and insert another new layer, rename this layer saying action. You can name anything you'd like to. Okay, and now I'll select first frame of the action layer and then go window, action, and type here stop, and then I have used switch statement before and I'd like to use it once again. So just type add event listener dot click and mouse click handler function name, and then function mouse click event, mouse event, and type switch event dot target case break case break case break. I type 3 times because I have 3 buttons on my stage. Okay, so in case of my next button, I have given my next button an instant name, next btn. So I typed next button btn, next btn, and previous button I give instant name prev btn, and for save button save btn. And sorry, I forgot to save this project. You have to save it instantly, so I'm going to save it on my desktop, and I'm going to save it on this folder, share object frame, and name it demo2. You can name anything you'd like to. Okay, my project is saved now. And now, in case of next button, what I'd like to image holder dot go to and stop image holder dot frame plus 1. That means when I press next button, I want my image holder, this image holder, you see this img holder, to go to and stop whatever frame it is plus 1. That means if it is on frame 1, it will go to, if 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and for previous button, I'd just like to copy this and paste here and change current frame plus to minus and save it again. If I test it now, test, you see if I press next, the image change and then previous change. And what I want is to, if I save this button and when I reopen or rerun this project, it will open the last image. Okay, so now I have to make a variable for this. But first I would like to create add event listener for this. Okay, so add event listener, it will be interframe event handler. Add event listener event dot interframe frame, and function name will be update, sorry, update, and function function update event, and I'll make a variable called var default frame, and it will be, you can type integer, number, or you can just say here 1. I'd like to type unsigned integer equal to, and the unsigned integer will be 1. Okay, and here I would like to type if and else statement. Okay, and let me type it, if image holder dot frame equal to 1, then the default frame will be 1. And copy this, paste it 4 times, I mean, because I have 5 images. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and change 1 to 2, and here 2, here 3, and here 3 2 and 4 and 4 here as well, and 5, and default frame will be 5. That means if my image holder dot current frame equal 1, then my default frame will be 1, and for current frame 2, default frame will be 3, for 3 4 4 5 5, etc. Okay, if I test it, save it first, then test it, you see nothing happens. You see changing, but if I press save, nothing happens. If I control test it again, see, the project is exactly the same. But now the main checks. Here I will create a variable for share object. So var so colon share object equal to share object dot get local, and inside this I have to give a name of my share object, and the name I'd like to save. Okay, save. And so if I type so, and then a variable called data dot saving frame, and the variable name is saving frame, saving equal to, and the saving frame will be this default frame. Copy here and paste it here. Okay, and now so dot flash, and if I trace so dot flash, and you'll see it flashed on my output panel. Test it. Oh, error. Excel 74. Okay, so the flash delete. So okay, save it again and test it. Okay, it flashed. Save. If I press save, nothing happens, and if I test it again, nothing. So I have to make this happen when I press save button. So I'll create a custom function called function saving void, and cut this and paste it here, and copy this function and paste it for save button. And then when I open this project, and it will open image holder dot go to and stop what so that data dot saving frame. And now if I test it, oh, it's error. Identifier, level master simple identifier. I have to go to stuff so dot it's not working. Image will go to stuff so dot data dot saving frame. Okay, default frame. Cut this line too and paste it here to save this. Okay, save it. test it now. Not working. Saying level must be simple identifier. Usually pro to stop. Oh, sorry. Semicolon. Okay. Cut it and back to, and if I test it now, next button, and then save, press save, and if I test it again, I think the last image has opened. Okay, let's test it once again. Next, yeah, this hill. Okay, and press save, and then test. You see hill here, and if I test it again, test hill 2, and if I press next button and this river, but if I test it now, you see the hill. If I save this image, save, and then test it again, you see the share object is saving my image holders frame. I think you have learned something. If you would like to learn but you can find, you can ask me if you want to. I'll make tutorials for you. Okay, thanks for watching. Good night.